Does your morning look like this? There is a better way. A compromise-free way. One that is sustainable, powerful, and portable. Think it's too good to be true? Think again. This is the world's lightest electric bike. This is CARBO. It's light, it's smart, it's carbon, it's compact. It's CARBO.
Having been in the e-bike industry for many years, we have tackled most of the problems that users and mechanics have mentioned. E-bikes tend to be bulky, heavy, not to mention the bad weight distribution which compromises your riding experience.
And it's also hard to find after-sales service due to complexity of repairs.
So we have decided to redefine what a folding e-bike should be.
Light, durable, stunning design and functionality. When designing the CARBO, the main challenges were the weight and access to critical electric components. All the components are separate, making it easy to service and upgrade. No special tool required.
Anyone can do it. So we joined forces with the best players in the industry and created a team of manufacturing experts to make CARBO come to life.
Carbon fiber also absorbs vibration, resulting in a more comfortable ride.
Not only is carbon fiber lighter than aluminum, it's also 8 times stronger.
Having the battery in the seat post creates an optimal center of gravity. It's also easily removable for indoor storage or charging.
It's for everyone, everywhere.
How about the ride home? With a smart screen, you can connect to your phone by Bluetooth and get you to your destination.
Designed to fit into your life, no learning curve required. CARBO is the perfect urban companion.
Not only do we want to see more people on e-bikes, but we would like to share our passion and experience and create the best e-bike tailored to your needs, engineered for your peace of mind.
CARBO is ready to roll,
Fully functional,
ready for production.
all we need is your support to make this
It's a reality.